Plugs into OEM Radio. Power 4 speakers. Reverse wiring harness for select GM vehicles, 14/16 way. For select 1986 to 1998 Honda and Acura vehicles. Plugs into OEM Radio. Power 4 speaker. 16-pin connector. Harness is designed to plug into the factory radio. Plugs into OEM Radio. Power 4 speakers. For select 1999 to 2002 Daewoo vehicles. Plugs into OEM Radio. Power 4 speakers. Reverse wiring harness for select GM vehicles, 14/16 way. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect match and high quality. The product was used for a car stereo wiring system. It worked perfectly. The exact match and the wires were correctly labeled and of a good quality.